It's Kurt again, the crazy German in China. It's 11:30 Saturday morning and it's of course time for a beer. Every time it's time for a beer. So, what's happened, what's going on, what news? I'm independent George. My wife is going to Changchun. She will see my father-in-law, will take him to a checkup in the hospital. Plus, she will go to the land. She will check the size. Hopefully she's doing a video of all 2 pieces of land. I don't know, I think I told you we already made a decision that we make the prefab container house on the installing on the land. So I will add a small video that you can have, get you an idea how this thing looks like inside. Yeah, I'm busy. I'm really busy. I also now more focused on my own company, CBS. CBS, I think I already told you, is for motorcycle parts, tools, tool cabinets, all workshop equipment, special tools, everything what's about motorcycle Harley Davidson. Clothing, bags, everything. I'm also pushing on that thing because if the shit come up, I have to be safe. That's also the reason why I pushed with the house in Germany. My brother take care of that. He is working really hard on the house to get it done. Also get the workshop done. My wife is responsible for China. She will take care that the house gone. She has to take care that the drain out for the dirt water has been done. The old house go, the new house set up. That's her job. I will do Germany, I will do CBS. It was actually, for me, the trouble who came up was actually for me a wake-up call. I was, in the last couple of years, getting fucking lazy. I thought that everything will be normal and everything is smooth and I can just lay back. No, you should not do this. You shouldn't do that. Because if the shit is coming up, is growing up, you fucked. Now I know. Now I really push to being on the safe side. And it's good. It's good. It's really good to got this wake up call. Okay, I mean, I'm a little bit old to start again with 200%, But I'm still fit. I'm still good. I feel good. I fucked up the cancer. Cancer is gone. According to my last health test, everything is fine. All blood tests, everything is smooth, everything is good. So yeah, I'm still powerful, and I'm still fucking a small fly, and I'm still willing to do something. Yeah. I also, I mean, you see the jacket. I'm also still involved a little bit in the club scene. I was in Guangzhou some months ago. We had a club meeting. I will add a video. So everything is in progress. Everything is running, and hopefully we get it done as soon as possible. Yeah, there is not much to say now. Check the videos from the house and from the club meeting, and probably we see us tomorrow. Hopefully the weather is a little bit better. Then we can make a video outside. I planned to make a video. I brought this small DJI drone with the face recognition, and I thought about to make a video with that thing, but yeah, it's raining, so this is not that good. Anyway, that's it. Thank you for watching my videos. Thank you for subscribing my channel. We get a little bit more up with the subscribers, which is nice. I promise I will keep this channel running. I will keep more attention for this channel. My German channel anyway is running. So yeah. Let's see, maybe tomorrow. Bye. Beep.
Yeah.
Nice.
Nice.
然后还有一些我们可能路上会用到一些手势，大家没有不知道的，比较常用的一些，比如说停下来啊，这是停车，这个就是慢一点，然后伸左脚就是左边有障碍物，伸右脚就是右边有障碍物，大家都注意一下，然后前面的看到后面的看到。